Most people get this wrong. They think Rush State Pay is just another high-fee payday app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has become a fast, user-friendly platform for short-term cash advances with clear terms and quick approvals. Here's how it works. Rush State Pay allows users to request small cash advances based on earned wages or verified income. Funds are usually available within a few hours, making it ideal for urgent expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected household costs. What sets it apart is the transparency. The app clearly shows repayment amounts and schedules before you borrow, so there are no surprises. The app also provides a simple dashboard where users can track repayments, see upcoming due dates, and manage multiple advances if needed. This helps prevent late fees and encourages responsible borrowing. The downside? Overusing Rush State Pay for non-essential purchases can lead to higher costs. It's meant for emergencies or planned short-term needs, not everyday shopping. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only borrow what you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders for upcoming payments. 3. Monitor your spending to avoid overextension. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need fast cash for urgent expenses. Those prone to impulse borrowing may find fees accumulating quickly. In conclusion, Rush State Pay in 2026 is fast, transparent, and practical, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a tool for emergencies, track your repayments carefully, and plan your spending. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable financial tips.